Say security the fixed bet. Lion too don't turn domestic animal. If some people host World Cup, Israelite, they go surely go back for Egypt. Math. Tori de no go joke. Chako no be lie. You really been a greatness. I am more for your discussion. Yeah. People don't go dirty water for up, come back, carry the water, the complaints, say water dirty na how. Plenty grounded and the pay don't expire, but instead, plenty people be inspired by that expired people. When I be inspired by expired people, then every day na the complain na waiting. When you carry award gear and for lazy man, you expect some man where the work hard may do it. Upcoming artists and for pay no the go no place sings. I mean say, one I don't get one name for industry, that name the just remain till thy kingdom come. For the past 2 to 3 years, we don't count upcoming artists and for other pay they don't blow so they go international. But for our own pay, the reverse is true. Every day upcoming artists they suffer the pest way the masturbate condom. They on the work at tongue na say wait. Now na say go dirty water for they on the complain say water dirty na how. On a math. Other people there they be graduate now like 2 months this don't already pass. We hope so na don't already take on our first salary. Or destiny can only be delayed. The way people take and post happy new month, we hope say the February no go long the same way where January be long. Yes, you the work at Tontoyo for one place, the man where the play tabala can complain say January be long. January be long now how? One day na 24 hours, so January do na how long? Just talk one time say you be the young girl. Talk one time say you be the suffer, you na suffer. All we know say game may make a lifelong past serious relationship. Yes, you break up with JK one mark bomb. As for other people there, they make breakfast with country egg. You make breakfast with country egg, come on, go your post and loss. You the work and holla, say, hey, now which kind of balog this they follow me. You even know the kind of balog where they follow you. You fry spaghetti with country egg. Every day you come up, boy, they borrow your tutu, no they pay you. They shout, say, all men are dogs, all men are dogs. Now who talk me you be doggy chop? What for me one deny for taste for doggy mob? Math. Valentine's Day don't the come. Some kind of thing and they will no one see them. Other people there they play love now for status, so we no one see with all that childish behavior. Gay go hook up your boyfriend no text. For you for text your boyfriend or call you, pass go put status. You are online, I'm online. Pride is also online. Since boy they like gay they like boy. Boy to go can see and go put your own status. Love is sweet with the right person. We now show man all kind thing for the pay. Gay to go can see status. Pass again, go put another status. Go for the one who loves you, not the one you love. Now, the day boy go can see and now remember all the love we get and for your mommy and my mother, my superwoman, the only woman I love. The beg na beg for the Valentine's Day. Let your mommy me wish your pa happy Valentine's Day, or let your pa me wish your mommy happy Valentine's Day. You repost your mommy for Valentine's Day. You don't ever move draws to your mommy last. If you no get person for post and pass God should not make God begin drive your fly. As for that people there, they ever post na their auntie or their uncle then so the beg na beg. Valentine's Day no be family meeting. Yes, if you no get person for post and fine play God should not make God begin drive your fly. Math. Vanessa, last year them buy you second hand gift this virgin. You want ask you talk say your virginity no cancer packet. Say your virginity be been a few peri. This year you tell me say your boyfriend na Brandon, but don't see Brandon now Sandra. Vanessa, you the work and sing na asylum. As for that people there, they celebrate Valentine's Day inside off license will beg. We no one see that nasty attitude. Yes. How if you celebrate Valentine's Day, let's say you begin attestation for bricklayer math. We be even talk that palava phone then so a boy they carry lapi the nana le far away the one go change and take pussy no see road. You dey carry lapi inside sacks and motor le farm produce there you go work pick up chop your money you dey still complain and waiting. You don't know the meaning of bad sign math. As for that people there they borrow people their money no repay, so you borrow my money no repay, you expect say me that money come up for you go back for that person by osmosis. Some nigga there, they don't slay, so they go graduate, but can't reach today, they still talk na English for beginners. That one, they ever talk, say, I'm looking for my 1 foot shoe. That thing means, say, wait, math. So when they no for go school, but every day they call pen with plural, pens. They the whole pen with mop. Math, who's that other boy, then they for boys brigade? When I the American military now, or when I be army for the Lord. Hey, Sunday boy then too. I say, all your shoe then and chang, you say you want buy shoe stand, and change stand. The M chang then are under bet. If you want to sell your Bitcoin, I bet look man where you sell Bitcoin for you before you sell your Bitcoin. Look on no go sell you Bitcoin for man where the exit ID card them for Stingy Men Association. Look on no go sell you Bitcoin for man where all you close and they last market. Look on no go sell you Bitcoin for man where slippers and they man where the tab raffia bush. If you want to sell your Bitcoin, contact Diamond the Exchanger DDE. If you buy any kind Bitcoin, anytime, any amount and anyhow, whether you want a bank transfer or you want a Momo float or deposit transfer, all thing a check, just contact Diamond the Exchanger. I go hang in hand under my post with WhatsApp number. If you want deal with your Bitcoin anytime, whether not for midnight, whether you 2 man and guy who call add value added tax, contact Diamond the Exchanger. Whether you gonna for market demand for Gary hyper supply, contact Diamond the Exchanger. He go buy your Bitcoin for better rate. Anytime, anyhow, and any amount. Buff! And as I go, so I beg when I go follow me the new boy where they come me checking why. Where made the boy come on also they can't checking
Waveless on the track.
Say you don't want love, but you want just to fuck with me. How do you want it, but you say you want it repeatedly? What's your time now? What if I die now? What would you tell my man? Say I don't have hunger. Oh, not tell I jammy. What need I tell me? You know get my time, oh. 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 You know get my time. I don't depend, oh. I don't depend, oh. Oh, my baby, I don't depend, oh. Let me rest, oh. Let me rest, oh. Oh, my baby, I don't depend, oh. Don't depend, oh. Don't depend. Oh, my baby, I don't depend, oh.